In this video, I want to show you how to use your local currencies such as the Naira, the Cameroon francs, the Ghana cedis, the Kenyan shillings, the US dollars, any local currency of your choice to buy USDT and use this USDT to buy DOX cryptocurrency. And yes, you can use this particular method to trade any cryptocurrency of your choice. So why am I suggesting that you should buy DOX? The reason is that I am quite certain that DOX is actually going to be one of the cryptocurrencies that is actually going to be doing thousands of percentage in the upcoming bull run. Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and tell me your name in the comments below once you are done with the subscription so I can officially welcome you to the family. If you are not in our Telegram channel, bro, you are missing out on lots of opportunities. Do well to use the link in the description of this video as well as in the comments below to join our Telegram channel where you are going to be getting crypto updates, crypto job opportunities, crypto trading signals, tutorials, and lots more. So lots of people got DOX airdrop for absolutely free of charge. And a good number of people in our Telegram channel, I believe like up to 50% of people who were active when I started talking about DOX airdrop actually did participate, and a lot of people were making lots of money from DOX airdrop. Although DOX was being given out for free, I can tell you for a fact that a good number of people have sold their own, while some people are still keeping theirs because it seems insignificant, and some people are still holding on to their DOX airdrop and they are yet to sell because they have seen the future that DOX airdrop is actually going to be doing thousands of percentage in this upcoming bull run. So as such, I want to suggest that you should get some in preparation for the bull run, and I'm going to be giving you reasons why I feel it's actually going to be huge. So the first thing I want to talk about is community. DOX airdrop is one of the cryptocurrency projects that has a large community. Then I'm going to be doing a little comparison with Shiba Inu that blew off in the year 2021. Shiba Inu was able to give investors thousands of percent in profit because it has a huge community. And if you check the market cap of Shiba Inu at the time of making this video, you are going to see that it is way ahead. And if you also compare it to the current market capitalization of DOX airdrop, you are going to find out that DOX airdrop is yet to start its rally. And trust me, there's possibility for DOX airdrop to be able to do up to 1000% in profit. When DOX airdrop was listed for trading, the starting or the opening market capitalization was over $600 million. And at the time of making this video, the market capitalization has dropped to $500 million. Now let us look at Shiba. At the time of making this video, the market cap of Shiba is $8.2 billion. While Shiba Inu has a circulating supply of 589 trillion. At the time of making this video, the market capitalization for DOX airdrop is currently $500 million. What will happen if the market cap gets to $5 billion? If it gets to $5 billion, then that is actually going to be 100x. This simply means that if you invest $100 today in DOX and the market cap eventually gets to $5 billion, that is going to be giving you 10 times your money, right? $100 invested today when the market cap is around 500 million and eventually gets to 5 billion, you are going to be getting $1,000 return on investment. And yes, this is just my personal opinion and you don't have to take it as a financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Do well to do your own research before investing in cryptocurrencies because cryptocurrencies are volatile, and the opposite might end up being the case. You might rather lose money instead of making profits. So now let me show you how to buy DOX airdrop on Bybit. Before we do that, if you don't have an account on Bybit, do well to use the link in the description of this video to create an account for yourself, do your KYC, and follow this simple process to be able to buy some DOX airdrop. All you have to do is to open your Bybit application and you click on deposit at the top right corner. You click on P2P trading. And when you get to P2P trading, we have lots of complaints from people that are not really experienced on Bybit P2P of how they are being scammed and all. So this is how to avoid being scammed when you want to buy USDT on Bybit P2P. All you have to do is to use this filter. But before you use the filter, just click on amount and type in the desired amount of money you are looking to use to buy USDT, so that you'll be able to see ads that would sell that quantity for you. And you click on confirm, then you click on the filter button at the top right corner, and you click on show only eligible ads. Then you also click on show only verified advertisers. This way you will only be trading with merchants that are being verified by Bybit. After you are done with that, then you are going to be looking at the limit, right? Limit simply means the least amount of USDT you can get from a particular merchant. And also you have to check their credibility. Their credibility is the number of percentage they are being rated on this application, right? So I usually trade with people that have from 90% and above. Any vendor that doesn't have up to 90% credibility, I skip, right? And also I make sure I look out for vendors that have traded for over 1,000 times, right? I don't trade with new vendors. I trade with people that have more than 1,000 trading history, right? So like this particular vendor, Zgain, he has 4,920 trades, right? 4,921 orders. So, and also you have to make sure that the person you want to buy from is available, the person is active, right? To do that, you are going to see online, right? If you see online under their name, that simply means that they are active, and once you make payments into their bank accounts, they are going to release the cryptocurrencies into your wallet as fast as possible. So now I'm going to go for Zgain. I'll click on buy. So when you want to buy, all you have to do is to type the amount of money you want to use in buying USDT. So or you can literally change this to crypto, because I'm looking to buy $10. So I'm just going to type $10, and it's going to give me the Naira equivalent, which is 16,590 Naira, right? This is also applicable to any other currency of your choice in case you are not in Nigeria. Before we proceed, I want to also show you something that is really important. In case you are new on Bybit P2P, by default, this currency button is going to be USD, right? So currently I'm having NGN because this is not my first time. So if you're Ghanaian, once you click on the currency, you can type your currency abbreviation, right? If you're a Nigerian, you can also do the same. Just type NGN, and you will see ads from people in your country. Don't forget about these two filters. So now let us look for someone who has a credibility of over 90%, as well as someone who has had over 1,000 trade history. So I'm going to click on crypto. I'm going to type $10. I'm going to click on buy. Once you click on buy, you can contact the seller and chat with them. You can click on contact seller and type, are you active? Then you wait for their response. But since this person is online, I'm just going to click on pay now. Then I'm going to get the account details here. I will just copy the account number, log into my mobile application, log into my banking application, and make the payment. So make sure you don't pay using a third-party account. You are not permitted to use any of your siblings' accounts, your spouse, your fiancé, your friend. You have to make sure you use your account, right? And once you have pasted the account details, select the chosen bank. You have to cross-check if that is the name, the exact same name on Bybit. If that is the name, you just go ahead and pay the exact amount without missing anything out. And while making payments, make sure you don't add any crypto related description to your payments, because it might cause bank to blocking both your account and the account of the person you are trading with. Avoid any crypto related word. You don't even have to put any description, or you can use your name instead, right? So just you make the payments. After paying the person, you can take a screenshot of the payments, but not really necessary, but you can take the screenshot of the transfer and you go back to Bybit and you click on payments completed. And you have to make sure that once you have initiated a trade and you are supposed to pay, make sure you don't pay after the time has elapsed. If the time of payment has elapsed, which is usually 30 minutes, please don't pay again, because Bybit will automatically cancel the trade, and if you pay, there is possibility for you to lose your money. So in case you're having network issues and you cannot pay within the time frame of 30 minutes, just avoid the trade, or you can cancel it, or you wait for Bybit to cancel it, then you can go ahead and open another trade. And also note that you are not supposed to pay using POS terminals. The payment must always have to come from your own personal account. And if you are paying from your business account, you have to discuss it with the seller before going ahead with the transaction. If the seller agrees, then you can pay with your business account, and if they don't, then you don't have to do that. Following some of these guidelines will prevent you from being scammed on this platform. So I have just made the payment and I'm waiting for him to confirm my payment and release the coin into my wallet. So the coin has been released into my wallet when I was just about uploading the screenshots of the payment. So now, after this coin has been released to your wallet, all you have to do is to click on done, and you can literally go back to your wallet by clicking on assets. You come down to where we have funding, and you click on USDT, then you are going to see your coins. So the next thing you want to do in order to trade using the USDT you just bought from Bybit P2P is to click on transfer, because you have to move this USDT from funding wallet to either your unified trading account or your spot wallet. So currently we are having derivative accounts and we are having funding accounts. What I want to do is I'm going to click on this drop down menu and change it to funding, while I change from derivative to spot account. So spot account is where I'm going to be able to buy docs. So I'm going to click on max. I'm going to click on confirm. Yes, I've been able to successfully initiate the transfer. I'm going to go back, click on spots. Then currently we are having NOT/USDT, but since I'm not looking to trade NOT, I want to trade docs. So I'm going to click on NOT. Then I'm going to use the search query and type docs, select it. Then we have different types of trading. We have limit order and we have market order. So limit order simply means that if this thing is in limit order, you could be able to place a trade for a particular cryptocurrency with your own desired price, right? If you currently speculate that there is possibility for the price to drop, let's say if I think the price of dogs is going to drop to 0.000 maybe 009, then I could do that. I could just edit the price and I would just click on drag this to 100%, meaning I want to buy it with all the USDT, or I could literally type $10 here. You remember the $10 USDT we got? Then I'm just going to click on buy docs, then I'm going to click on buy. So what I just did is I have placed an order to buy docs, and that order is going to be pending, waiting a particular time if it's actually going to ever happen when the price of docs has dropped to 0.0009. But if that will never happen, then that order will still be there and you can still cancel it anytime. So also you can also cancel it anytime and maybe you change it again to something else. So we also have another means of buying, and we call it market order, right? But before I show you how to use market order, you can still use limit order and you can still buy it now by selecting the current trading price, where we have this order book, right? You can just select any of these prices, or you could just type any of the prices. Let's say maybe 6, right? 0.00106, and you'll be able to buy immediately. So let me show you how to use market order. If I click on market or this limit, I'll select market order. Then market order does not give you the room to edit the price. Market order simply means that once you click on buy docs, you will be able to get it immediately. So the system will automatically give you docs in exchange for your USDT using the current possible price that docs is trading. So since I want to buy using 10 USDT, I'm just going to type 10. Then I'm going to click on buy docs. I'm going to click buy, and we are good to go. I've been able to successfully buy docs. So what I would now do after buying is for me to set a sell order. Why should I set a sell order? I'm setting a sell order because the time that the price of docs might likely go up, I may likely not be aware, or I might not be online to check, or I might not be online to sell and make profit. So remember, the rules or the core reasons why we trade cryptocurrencies is to make profits, right? And we only get to make profits when the price of the coin has appreciated. But we can do that even when the price has not appreciated, and the system will just hold our trade for us. Pending when the price of that coin has increased, then it will sell it for us automatically, even if we are not active. So I'm going to change this to limit order. Then let's say I believe that the price of docs will get to 0.002 in the future, or let's say even 0.005 in the future. So I've just typed 0.005. Then I'm going to drag this to 100%, meaning I want to sell all my docs in the future if the price gets to 0.005. Please, if this is confusing, you can ask questions in the comments. So I'm going to click on sell docs. I will click on sell, and if you check my orders, you are going to see that I have order to sell docs at 0.005. Not like this is going to happen today, but it might happen in the next couple of months to come. And whenever that is going to happen, you don't even need to have data for the system to sell docs and keep USDT in exchange for you, right? So how about maybe at some point you just want to change your mind, and like maybe what if docs would never get to 0.005? If at any point you decide to change your mind, you can always come and cancel, and after canceling you can still set another trade. You can still place another trade. Let's say the day you are going to cancel, you just want to sell, maybe at least there is a little profit, right? Initially you wanted to sell at 0.005, but now you are like, okay, the price has gone up to like 0.002. How about I sell it now? All you have to do, you can either use market order if the current price is 0.002, which means you have made profit already, right? You can either use market. In fact, you are actually going to be using market order. So now let us assume that the current price of docs is 0.002, and that is the amount we are selling now. All you have to do is to just drag everything, meaning you want to sell all the docs you bought, and you click on sell, and you click on sell docs, and you are good to go, right? I have another video that will guide you on how to sell your USDT on Bybit P2P. So if you click on this pop-up at the top right corner of your screen, it's actually going to take you to the video that will show you how to be able to sell your drops on Bybit P2P. And if you are yet to join our Telegram channel, use the link below to join our Telegram channel. This is where you are going to be getting tutorials, support. We are actually going to be dropping crypto drops opportunities, crypto airdrops, several means of making money online. So if you have any question, please do well to drop it in the comments below. You can follow me across various social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.